This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laura Marr. This elegant home is ready for you. Recently painted inside and out, with a new roof installed in 2019. Fall in love as soon as you step inside the 2-story foyer with winding staircase. Bright formal living and dining rooms are accented with fabulous picture windows and volume ceilings. The spacious kitchen offers an eat-in nook surrounded by a bay window and breakfast bar. Tile backsplash, granite counters, walk-in pantry and plenty of cabinet space. Frigidaire Gallery stainless steel appliances are a couple of years new, including double oven and a 5-burner gas cooktop. The cozy family room area is open to the kitchen and leads out to a beautiful new travertine patio. Gated community with clubhouse, pool, tennis, playground and amp, fitness room. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura Marr at 561-209-8900.